School Freeware's QBasic tutorial series, Tutorial 51, Removing Spaces from Numbers and Strings. This tutorial will use several built-in functions. ltrim removes spaces from the left of the string, rtrim removes spaces from the right of the string, and the string function converts a number to a string. This tutorial will use QB64 version 1 running on Windows 8.1. The code can be downloaded at schoolfreeware.com. I'll use two integers and a string for this tutorial. The variable names num1 and num2 will be used. For the string, I'll just call the string my name. I'll set num1 to equal 7 and num2 will equal 12. My name will equal School Freeware with a bunch of spaces before and after School Freeware. We'll start off by doing a simple calculation by adding num1 and num2 together. We've done this many times before. Alright, I'll go ahead and run. We see that we have a space here before the 7, and I can remove that space with ltrim, which I'll do right now. I'll just copy this line. And because ltrim works with a string and num1 is an integer, I must convert that integer to a string. Okay, when I go ahead and run, we find that the space is removed to the left of the 7, but also there's a space removed to the right of the 7. And that is because the string conversion converted the integer to a string, and we lost a space here. So if I wish to put the space back, all I have to do is add a space to the plus. I'll go ahead and run again, and there we have with this one space removed. If I wish to remove all the spaces, I'll copy this line here, paste it in, save some typing. I'll remove the space here, and also ltrim num2 and convert num2 to a string. I'll then do the same for the calculation. I'll trim with the calculation converted to a string. I'll then go ahead and run. All the spaces are removed. Okay, next I'll go ahead and copy this line here, paste it in, and what I'll do is I'll add my name to the line. When I go ahead and run, we see that this is what the line looks like printed out. If I wish to remove the spaces to the right of School Freeware, I can. I'll use rtrim. I'll copy and paste that line to make typing a little easier. And because my name is already a string, I do not have to convert it to a string to use rtrim. I'll go ahead and run. We see the space has been removed, and also the 7 has been put right next to School Freeware. So what I'll do is I'll just copy this, paste in, and I'll add a space between School Freeware and the string. And I could do it this way, or if I wanted to, I can just simply remove lstring from num1. So that might actually work a little bit better, and let's see. 7 has been removed. There's a space there because we've no longer converted it to a string, so I'll remove that space, run it once again. There we are. And if I want to remove the spaces from the left of School Freeware, I can. I'll just copy this line to save me some typing. And I will put in ltrim. So we are ltrimming and rtrimming my name. So I'll go ahead and run that. And that's some examples on ltrim and rtrim.